makeup tutorial!
How do you do?
Ava Dazzle. Did you know Snow White is the first Disney princess? She is so charming and the fairest of them all. Good thing her friends, the seven dwarves, protected her from the evil queen. It was so much fun pretending to be Snow White. If you want to see how I got this Snow White look, then keep watching. Let's get to it. I have straight black hair, so my mom curled it using no heat curlers. And I wore my cute Snow White costume, of course. Before I applied my makeup, I used a primer with sunscreen to protect my skin from the sun. Then I used the BB cream because it is lighter on the skin. Snow White's skin is as white as snow. To achieve the classic Snow White look, I put a concealer all over my face and blend it evenly, just like this. This white eyeshadow looks kind of glittery, and I'm gonna put it on my eyelids. Then I used a brown eyeshadow and put it on the crease. I watched a lot of makeup tutorials, so I know how to do this now. I added a nose line, well, cause it looks good on pictures. I used a reddish blush and applied it on the sides of my cheeks because I think it looks nice. Snow White's lips are red as blood. I'll be using this pretty red lipstick. I really love this red lipstick. I don't know how to put falsies yet. My mom will help me. Be right back. Oh, I almost forgot my eyebrows. I used a gray eyebrow pencil for a more natural look. And there you have it, my Snow White look. I really enjoyed making this video. Oh, and by the way, don't take apples from strangers. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more Ava Dazzle videos, subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below. See you guys next time. Bye. Also, make sure to check out my other videos.